The eggs, I try to give it to him. You love ice. Alright, so I'm having this chicken now with some jerk sauce, like the real way.
The real way.
Yeah.
Well, you took it from the other guy, but now we take some from this guy so then you could tell the difference between the two. It's spicy?
Hey guys, welcome back to the Denton Family Channel. Today we are in Boston. Where are we again?
Boston
Bay
Jerk Center.
Boston Bay Jerk Center in Portland.
Yes.
And we're actually on our way to Blue Lagoon.
Yes.
But we just stopped to get some chicken and maybe some fish in festival. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Ramses has been sleeping, so I'm like trying to get him out of the car to come get some chicken. So yeah, we're gonna just show you some jerk chicken and
all right, now we're at Mickey's Jerk Center. This is the famous Boston Bay. Setai over there, running around in his glasses. Logan on his phone as usual.
If you don't know, welcome to Boston, my boss. I don't know, I have pork, I have chicken, I have fish, and I have lobster.
What's the name of your establishment?
Alright, my establishment.
Bumpies?
I look at David, you know, down there somebody.
Oh yeah, look at David.
Yeah, I have goat teeth, I have Mickey's, I have everything, you know.
Alright, so let me go look at little David then.
Yeah, man.
No, we're still here. We come back.
You see with me now, my boss.
Uh-huh.
My cousin have the pork ready.
Right.
Ready. Me do the fish and the lobster. Freshly cooked. Show you, pick what you want. Season it up, put it on the fire. 10 minutes.
Okay.
Seafood King then call me, what my name JJ.
Okay. So where you do your food right here?
Right here I do my food, but right now at the time, I don't have any pork ready, any chicken, but I have fish and I have lobster.
Okay. So you have fish and lobster by your place right now?
Fish and lobster, that ready in 10 minutes.
How you
our
do
seafood, we cook it freshly done.
Okay.
We open the lobster with the garlic, the butter and the jerk sauce. And the fish, we put the onion, the okra, the scallion, the thyme and the garlic.
Okay.
And put it on the fire for 10 minutes.
And that's your establishment right here?
That's my thing right here, you understand?
Okay.
So we eat the boss.
So you at a little David Jerk Center?
Man. Yeah.
Okay.
We do the seafood freshly cooked the boss.
Okay.
You can't cook and put on, you know.
Right. So you just pick up the fish that you want and then
if you're interested, we go for them, show you lobster, do the same thing.
Oh, so you don't have it here?
No, for the cooler we have them, man. I want to do them.
Oh yeah, man, the cooler.
Like
okay.
We can't put them on like that, my boss.
Okay. So you have nothing ready now?
No, we have nothing ready.
Okay. So I see you guys just cleaning up and ready to go. Okay.
I would take time ready, so people come late at night now.
You close the car?
Yeah, should close.
But them not nothing ready?
You need Boston. You need Boston. You have nothing to worry about. Nobody can check your car.
Why is there nobody in Boston?
A stranger come here, come go in your car.
Satai! Oh, look at this establishment. Man, it's telling me. What's the name of it, sir?
The Daiquiri Palace, sir.
It's the
Daiquiri Palace.
The Daiquiri Palace.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so I could get a daiquiri right here from here.
Yes, but we got fruit smoothies, we got pina coladas, we got strawberry daiquiri, we got mango daiquiri, pineapple mango daiquiri, we got Molly, wide variety of things are going. You can get a cocktail, you can get a snow cone, a lot of things. We have soft drinks as well. You want to sip on the shell, but it's inside.
It's inside there. You have snow cone?
Yeah, we have snow cone.
Okay, so you want a snow cone?
Yeah.
Let me see a snow cone.
Some crushed ice. This is the salt.
Oh yeah, I do want a snow cone. A strawberry one.
The strawberry.
With mixed with raspberry too.
Okay. You want a 12-ounce snow cone?
I want raspberry too. Strawberry and raspberry.
No, you do not have strawberry raspberry. You just have
Strawberry.
regular size.
I just want strawberry.
So you want a snow cone?
Yeah, I want strawberry.
The Daiquiri Palace, so fruit melody, smoothie, pina colada, virgin alcohol, pineapple sunrise, daiquiri.
A lot of people very observant. This is the pine colada. The reason why it says pine colada, I have a really bad handwriting, and the guy that made the chart just think it hard to call me and ask what it says. I just
put pine, okay.
Yeah, but it's really pina colada.
So then it could be your drink. You could just call it pine colada and that's your thing.
Yeah, you're the second person to tell me that.
Yeah, that's your thing. Yeah, just make a drink. Just make a twist on it from the pina colada and just call it your drink. Yeah, just call it pine colada and that's it. Yeah, just do that.
You're gonna get a chicken?
How much are chicken out? You have some nice fresh chicken. You can come over there. You want to put a table right here and sit and get your food and eat any way you want to do.
Yeah, because the breeze is cool enough.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna take some from the Daiquiri Palace right here. We're gonna take
Since I get a snow cone.
yeah, you want anything? Logan, you want anything for you?
So one or two?
Are you have smoothie as well?
Yeah, can get a fruit smoothie with pineapple, banana, papaya.
Alright, do that.
So make the snow cone.
Yeah, make the snow cone for him, yeah?
And the fruit smoothie.
Yeah, the fruit smoothie, yeah. So guys, we
That
are
water
in
is okay
Boston. Yes,
water?
for them to make the snow cone.
This one?
Yeah, for the ice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
No, I just want to make sure like I can drink it, but I don't want them to get, they can
It's
get
fine.
stomach ache.
They'll be alright. They'll be alright. Can you introduce yourself somewhere we got?
Oh, I thought I did. You didn't
Yeah, but
scratch
you
it?
can just say it again. Let's say it again.
Hey guys, listen.
Say it.
I just want to look cute and stand there, okay? I'm standing at the Daiquiri Palace in Boston, Portland. Boston, Portland. And I have no idea what I'm getting. I just want some chicken. But I know that Satai and
Logan is getting a
Logan
smoothie.
is getting a
A
snow cone.
No, Satai is getting a snow cone.
Logan is getting a snow cone.
No,
too.
no, he's not. He's getting a smoothie. And
Okay, you're doing this or me?
no, but I'm telling you what the order is.
You're doing this or me?
You could do it as well. So he's preparing the pineapple now for the smoothie for Logan,
Oh,
right?
okay.
That's the smoothie for Logan. Satai is getting a snow cone, which is just the ice and the syrup and stuff like that, like crushed ice and syrup.
Yeah.
So the smoothie is gonna be blended up, right?
Anyways, my youngest son just woke up, so
He could take some of the snow cone as well.
my youngest just woke up. He's been sleeping all morning. What time is it, babe?
It's
It's
almost 1
almost
o'clock.
1 o'clock, and Ramses just woke up because I just dragged him out the
Because
car.
Ramsey he's not working, so he don't produce anything, so he could sleep as long as he want. And look at this guy just pricking the ice with the knife right in the middle of his hand. Like
You get one pack cut to learn.
yeah, exactly. So you have to know
yeah.
how to gauge it.
Get a lot of cut to learn, you know?
Whoa, he's gonna blend that.
But you're at the end of the block, so you know that's where we buy from you first, because you get less business than the ones at the front. So it's good to buy from you. Well, people always go to the front. You always more people see the front, but you have to be really curious to come to the back. Yeah, you have to be curious to come to the back. You know, because we're curious, we come to the back.
So that's why I'm gonna meet them over the front.
And then bring them down to the back.
Here, so you know what I mean?
Yeah, Logan.
So you guys are looking for drink, and what's up with the chicken?
Because I don't eat chicken, so it doesn't concern me. I don't eat pork, it doesn't concern me.
You don't eat pork?
I
So
don't
you
eat
want to
chicken.
get? You want to take a fish or a lobster?
No, they eat chicken, so they will get chicken. But I don't eat chicken.
Logan want papaya?
You want papaya in the smoothie, Logan? Alright, let's give me the papaya then.
No papaya.
Alright, you know what?
Tell you what,
Just
I'm gonna make him a pineapple daiquiri, virgin.
Right, but look what you could do then, right?
Yeah.
Just make me a smoothie. Keep the papaya. I take the papaya.
I
Come on, sir. If not, then you can go order on the food and come back and
Right.
delivery.
Right. But your smoothie have no dairy and nothing like that in it, right?
No dairy, no.
Okay, just the fruit
Yeah.
blended up, right?
Yeah.
Right, because I want no dairy in my smoothie.
no,
right.
no.
Alright, so we have 3 orders here. We're gonna have the virgin daiquiri,
Yeah.
and then the snow cone, and then the smoothie.
Smoothie for you.
Alright, let's go. Let's do that.
Don't worry.
Alright, cool. Alright, so let's see what you could.
Have a pork, chicken, fish and lobster, conch soup, steamed conch in foil, breadfruit sweet potato festival, and you get it. You have a taste.
Okay, for the conch soup, what's in the conch soup?
We have like ground food in the conch and conch.
You have no butter in the conch soup?
Butter? No.
What's it like? Only conch?
Yeah.
Okay, I know what I meat in the conch soup.
Alright.
I'll take a conch soup.
Alright. Oh, share one conch.
Look at it. Oh, the smoke is coming. Look, I never see smoke like this before. Take out the shoes. Alright, so I'm getting a conch soup. I guess Stacey and someplace they'll do something. Logan, you want to taste the pork? You can taste a little. Huh? You don't like pork. Okay. No, you don't like pork. You don't like
We
pork.
have chicken, we have fish,
You
we
want-
have steamed conch in foil and lobster.
Okay, so this is a conch soup, famous conch soup. You want to try some of this? I know what it is. You want to try? It's very hot though. Taste it. Taste it and see if you like it. So Logan is trying kung soup for the first time in his life. You like it? You want one for yourself?
It's like soup, but it's good. I'll take it.
You, alright, yeah? Alright, so I'll take another kung soup. Yeah, you want it or not? Okay. That's yours. I'll take another one. No, don't give this to the sitar. You take it. Alright, Stacey, what you getting from over there? Huh? Logan is getting kung soup.
And you don't eat the pork?
No, I don't eat pork. I don't eat chicken either.
I got fish.
What's in your fish? Yeah, butter in your fish, right? What's in the fish?
Okra, onion, scallion, garlic.
It's good? It's hot though. Yeah, but what's your grease? What you put in it? Most people jerk put
Jerk sauce.
jerk sauce. Oh, okay.
Jerk sauce.
Oh, I see. You have fried fish?
Oh, you have to do that 50
Alright, let me see what this one is. Get your keep running around. What you have?
We have festivals.
You have fried breadfruit?
Roast one ready.
Roast one ready. You want to taste the breadfruit? Or you don't like breadfruit, right? You want to try the festival?
We can try.
This fried dumpling.
And we have roast plantain.
It's fried dumpling. You want roast? It's like fried dumpling. You want it? What else you want?
Probably it.
You have plantain, yeah? How much? Let me see what Stacey is getting.
So I'm getting some.
So she's getting jerk chicken.
He gave me a sample to taste it.
Okay, I don't eat Italian pork, so you could eat it.
I'm trying to show
Okay. So Stacey and all this pork and chicken. Logan is having kung soup.
Kung soup.
Yeah. What else are you gonna get?
We have breadfruit.
I want to ask Sata if you want festival so I can get.
Satai, you want festival? Huh?
You don't want to run too much because.
Come, you gotta get it because you're running around in the heat.
Make you sit here, because here is a busy place. Car is driving.
Sit down.
Stay here.
You want festival with this?
No, but you have to stay here though.
Okay.
You have to stay here because the car is running over. So you're gonna sit. Hey, listen to me. All right, so Stacey and is having her
This is some jerk
pork. She's trying jerk pork. Taste and bite, they call it. So you taste it first before you
Good,
bite.
good, really good.
I think Ramses want to come
Ramen is
down.
ready to come down.
Ramses is ready. No, you want the juice.
Oh.
So Ramses is looking to get the juice.
And then let me try the chicken. And then we can go.
All right, so Stacey is gonna try the chicken now. Ramses fighting Satai for the fighting for Logan.
Good.
Logan Virgin Daiquiri. The chicken is good.
I like the bony part, so good.
Okay, so Satai is sharing it up. So you can sit down.
Alright, so you want to try some of the pork or fish?
You want to try some of the pork?
Some of the pork and sausage. Chicken.
Chicken? You want more chicken? I want me to Logan to get chicken from there. What do you want me to do?
I'm good with this, just see if Logan wants some.
Okay, let me see. Alright, Logan, how is the soup? How is the kung soup? Good?
You want some of the chicken over here?
I'll take some of the breadfruit you said, right?
Yeah.
Give me a couple slices of the breadfruit.
We have a steam pumpkin fire.
Yeah, steam pumpkin fire. Okay.
And chop the chicken and come and chop it.
So I'm getting kung soup and breadfruit, slice of breadfruit. Yeah, man, that's good. Yeah.
That was some sweet potato.
Sweet potato? No, I think I'm alright with that.
Taking one of the roast plantain.
No, I just take the breadfruit. I'll eat it now. Don't wrap it. You don't have to wrap it. I'll eat it. Now.
One of the fish.
No, I'll eat the fish when I'm coming back because I'm gonna go see some family over there and come back. So I'll eat the fish when I'm coming back. So this has breadfruit and pumpkin.
So then I saw something like that. Come. I want first something. Oh, jerk sauce.
Yeah, sure, jerk sauce.
That's an marking around. Come on.
So we have jerk sauce and the breadfruit.
Come on, man. Come on. I'm a wrong one.
Huh?
Oh, let me wait, man. Come over. Not going away.
Yeah, so we could just come. We'll pay after.
I'm not leaving over here until
Chef and chef.
So this is the first time I ever ate roast breadfruit with jerk sauce.
Jerk sauce. So try one of the roast plantain too. Real good.
Real good. This is really, really good. Logan, you want to try? It's very spicy though.
You should try one of the plantain as well.
Plantain with the jerk sauce?
Yeah, man, really good.
Okay.
What a nice one.
No, I'll try. Christian, you want to try this? Come and try this.
Sama, at least you want to come from out alone.
Here for that one. So now we have roast plantain with, what is it, butter in the roast plantain?
No,
Okay,
butter.
no butter in the roast plantain.
Vegetable sauce.
So it's vegetable sauce
Jerk sauce.
with roast ripe plantain. And we also have breadfruit with jerk sauce, conch soup. Logan is having conch soup with virgin daiquiri at the same time.
Satay, you want to have some of the chicken?
I need a spoon.
Oh. You have a spoon there?
Yeah. Sure, whatever you like. Welcome. Here's a spoon. I mean spoon or
Thank
fork.
you. Spoon. Come Satay. Sit down right here.
So I can rough it, you need a spoon to eat.
Here's Satay.
To ice.
Sit down.
Chicken, you want to have some more chicken? You want some chicken? I think what you should do, right? You don't want the chicken? That's what I was thinking. I'll take, if you don't want it, probably you can put it up there. So I'll take a smaller portion of it and just wrap it up, yeah? Yeah, I'll take a smaller portion of it.
It's probably like leg or breast.
What you potentially going to eat, Logan? Leg or breast? You want the leg or the breast of the chicken?
Sure.
Yeah. The leg. So now I have a fruit smoothie. So this is pineapple and banana. Papaya, right? Yeah, pineapple. So we have everything here. We have hot, cold, spicy. Having all of those at the same time.
I want to get some of the jerk sauce just for my chicken.
You want more chicken?
No, we only. You say you don't want the chicken now, so I'll take it for later.
Yeah, ketchup on it.
You want ketchup on it? Yeah.
Stop me.
Look at the picture.
Girl, open the car and then get this food and then watch it.
Open it, open it.
It's open. Alright, so I'll take that to go.
Watch it, no making it up.
Is it spicy?
Alright, so I'll try the plantain now.
Spicy?
So I'll try the
Sweet plantain.
sweet plantain.
Is this mommy?
Try it, Seta, if you want to try it.
Is this spicy?
That now.
I didn't put a spice on it yet. Just a little bit of salt. And some jerk sauce. Yeah, with some jerk sauce.
You want to take this on the breadfruit?
Yeah. Thank you.
So this is ripe plantain. But you call it re-roasted, right? It's not jerk in it, right? It's just a roasted, but I have jerk sauce on it. Yeah.
Roasted with the jerk sauce.
Right.
Yeah. That's my favorite in the morning.
That's your favorite?
Yeah.
So good.
Who wants to eat this? I can get one. Some ice and stuff. Give some of your juice. Pass your juice.
So Logan finishes conch soup, and I finish my conch soup. Very good.
Okay. Napkin.
Napkins. So then I'm gonna continue with the roast breadfruit with the jerk sauce.
All Ramses is interested in is getting. I'm trying to even give him the breakfast. Give him some.
He only wants to drink from the
Ramses is not interested in breakfast. He just want to eat.
Even just
Snow
the
cone.
eggs, I try to give it to him. You know?
He loves ice cream.
All right, so I'm having this chicken now with some jerk sauce, like the real way.
The real way.
Yeah.
Well, you took it from the other guy, but now we take some from this guy, so then you could tell the difference between the two. It's spicy. Oh, but you having his jerk sauce. So she's having your jerk sauce, and she's like squinting. So you have the original jerk sauce.
But it's good.
Try that. Try the plantain.
It is.
You want to try it? Yeah?
And the fly. Oh my god. Oh.
You want some of the smoothie then?
This is good. Oh no.
So giving it a thumbs up for your...
Yeah, I want to say the one mock on my sauce. I say the sauce and I say the mock.
You have the sauce as well?
Yeah,
Let me see.
Definitely
Yeah. Huh?
definitely a 10 out of 10 for. Come on, what's it called?
Gold teeth. It's gold teeth, right?
10 out of 10 for gold,
The gold teeth.
sauce.
It's gold teeth sauce, right?
Good. Let me try with the breadfruit now.
Oh, is it?
Breadfruit with the jerk sauce.
It's good?
So good.
Logan, you belly, you full?
Ah.
Logan had just one thing and he's full. He had the conch soup and his daiquiri and he's full. Ramses, how you doing? This jerk sauce is really good though. Really good.
I don't think it's
So guys, we're in Boston, Portland, stuffing our faces.
my face.
So tired, getting rough, so you need a spoon to have his food and that. Logan just had
Spicy, right?
Oh.
one soup and a smoothie and it's done.
What is that, plantain?
And yeah, it's plantain, but you have to use it because I was doing the conch, so
Oh,
I have to give you another fork.
I can't eat it then.
So this is like
If you mix it with a conch, I can't eat it.
no, I didn't mix it with the conch, I was mixing the conch. So this is like roasted green plantain, no, ripe plantain, and breadfruit over here. So I'm gonna try to finish this breadfruit.
You know when it's too hot to handle, but you still can't stop?
Right. And it's like hot and it's a little salty, but not overly salty, so it's kind of good.
It is so hot, but I feel soft.
So try move from there.
Ramsey, if you don't want no more beer,
Give him some.
give it to him. He'll drink it.
Yeah, we go now.
So gold teeth of the sauce. Guys, if you can't see the smoke in here. So this is original gold teeth season. How much for a jerk sauce like this? No, what's the right price?
Right,
What's the local price for this?
local price?
Yeah.
Alright, like we buy someone something. I'm not at 12.
The local price is 12. What's the foreign price?
Foreign
And then the sauce?
1200.
1200. Okay, so much we at now? 2100. Okay, and how much for the chicken? Yeah.
Chicken at 800.
Uh-huh.
So that's
2900.
Yeah.
Okay.
Plantain.
And the plantain?
35. 35 like now.
How much for the plantain?
6.
Are you
6?
sure this is the same sauce that I
Yes,
just ate?
man. You look at it. We don't use reading label. What
Because that sauce is hot, but it's good.
So gold teeth, just say everything that I have is 3500.
35.
You have a festival?
Yeah.
Alright, give her a festival.
I do a serving.
Huh?
I do a serving festival.
Just give her one festival. 800. What's up here? No, we check for another guy. It's best to do. Wait, check for another guy. The other guy said that was talking to you. He said you have stuff over there. Let's go look and see what he has.
Oh,
We work as them side orders and what they do.
Gold teeth is the man.
so many is the gold teeth.
No, that's the boss. But all the workers in there run.
Yeah. The boss is a real gold teeth. You guys are the silver teeth.
Silver.
Yeah, you don't have the fully gold teeth as
Try
yet.
to put in the gold teeth, but the first time the teeth break it.
He broke your teeth? so you're trying to put in the gold teeth and it broke? Oh. So then you gotta replace it, man.
Yeah, that's what we're going next week.
Oh, you're gonna fit it in next week? Okay, cool. No, I gotta say the sauce and everything is good. You make some of these stuff?
Yeah, but we make it, everything here.
Yes.
We cook it, we season it, we make the season.
Yeah.
Everyone from all different country come here to get our sauce.
No, this one is good. So I'm taking this sauce.
Compared to anyone else.
I'm taking this sauce, gold teeth sauce. I'm taking this. I'll take this back. Because if it's the same, yeah, put it in there. If it's the same thing as what we have here, it's gonna be good. Cause
And you don't have to
this
put
really
it on no
spicy.
fridge, no cooler. Same on the counter till it finish.
Yeah?
No cooler, no refrigerator.
Okay.
Same way on the counter till it finish.
Alright.
Whatever time it finish out the back, that time nothing.
So we'll do that. We'll definitely do that.
Ramses, are you enjoying the pina colada? Ramses, are you enjoying the pina colada? You look like you're eating the straw more than anything else. Okay.
Alright, so so what we had from Gold Teeth, we had the festival, we had the jerk chicken, we had the kung soup, we had the breadfruit with the jerk sauce, which is very good.
Oh my god.
The only thing
it's
is
really
that
good.
my least favorite
Is what?
was the plantain. Because I like plantain, but I like the
Crispy
green plantain.
kind.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I like the crispy plantain. While I enjoyed it, and people will enjoy it, it's sweet.
Yeah.
I don't like plantain really sweet like that. I like the more crispy plantain. But all in all, this is
Yeah, but the chicken.
but the sauce, gold teeth sauce is really good. That's one thing that's really good. So
Yeah, I wanna get
I would
some.
recommend gold teeth sauce for the.
So how much you gave gold teeth sauce or what? A 9 or a 10
No,
out of
it's
10?
okay.
10 out of
I'll give
10.
gold teeth
10 out of 10
yeah.
gold teeth sauce.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
All right. All right, pay up.
Brand new Jamaican money. It's $5,000.
All right.
Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, what are you selling?
I don't need that turn over this.
So what you saying?
So you don't selling? You only begging me money? I thought you selling
I
something.
have nothing to sell, man.
Oh, you have nothing to sell?
We don't have nothing to
So you just want the money. What you want money to do?
sell. Buy food.
To buy food?
Yeah.
How much money can buy you food? Huh?
$500 can buy
$500 can buy you food?
Yeah.
Okay.
And drinks.
$500 can buy food and drinks for you?
No, 5 can buy food and drinks. And it recommended that.
No, I thought she was selling something. She said she was selling something. I thought she was calling me like she was selling something. But then she just want she said she wants something to eat. I bought some smoothie already from him, so you know, I want to buy another set of juice or whatever. But I'll give you the money so you could go buy something to eat. Alright? Alright, no problem. No problem at all, man. So when you come to Boston here, it's like a lot of guys pulling you one place, next place, so on and so forth. But they are pretty much very equal and close in terms of quality and taste, right? So this is where we started. The Dakar Palace. Give yourself a shout out. What's your name, man, from Dakar Palace?
I'm Tyrone, bro.
Tyrone from the Dakar Palace.
Tyrone said if you don't drink the smoothie yet.
I didn't taste the smoothie yet.
It's gonna be like all
Wait, man. So, I wonder what's my grade gonna be like.
Yeah, no, man.
Alright,
But let me try it now.
I'm gonna have to taste
Yeah,
it.
taste it first and let me know.
Can I be able to keep biting the straw?
Taste it now and let me. And
This is yours. Why are you tasting it?
But you could taste it.
Start to make it like stir quicker.
Go back in the car. What happened?
You cover the hole and blow on the straw.
Cover the hole and blow in the straw.
Smell the pina colada.
You getting this?
The black
Yes.
spot right here is a watermelon seed, okay? It's a good source of antioxidants.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so. Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Cool
what?
trick.
So taste it.
Cover-
And this is just the
cover it
fruits,
and
right?
blow
Nothing
in
else
the
but the
straw.
fruits, right?
That's with pineapple, papaya, and watermelon.
Okay.
Just fruits.
Cool.
No dairy, bro.
That's cool. Yeah, I don't know
He
meat, no
spilled the
dairy.
pina
It's actually
colada.
very good.
Okay,
And that papaya taste is coming through.
okay. The papaya look fresh and nice. I like it.
And yeah, I must say.
Short of a splash of
Mommy.
Lemon
Mommy.
juice, so put it in.
Mommy,
Last of the
Ramses spilled the pina
Oh, I
colada.
see. I
Mommy.
see. I
So
see.
he's saying this would have been better with a little bit of
splash of lime juice.
splash of lime juice. So maybe you make one for us when we're coming
When we're
back.
coming
with
back,
some
yeah.
lime juice.
Yeah, definitely. You
But
gonna get
I
lime juice
must
when we come back?
say-
You gonna have
Yeah,
lime
I'm
juice?
gonna get
Okay, cool.
I'm gonna give you a 10 out of 10.
This is what third
I'm gonna
trip
give you a
here.
10 out of 10.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give you a 10 out of 10. I'm
that good?
serious. I'm gonna give you a 10 out of 10.
Try it, bro.
Yeah, I'll try. The thing is that she's allergic to conch and I had some conch soup, so I want a
So we
different
can't
straw.
drink
Yeah.
from it, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So you can have my straw, but I can't drink back after
Yeah.
you drink it.
Yeah, so there's another
It's good.
Yeah.
Alright. And
really
remember,
good.
all the black spots are from the watermelon seeds. I couldn't extract them all.
Yeah, yeah. No, that's cool. That's cool.
Okay, I'm
That's
good.
cool. Are you
It's
done?
really good.
You try
Good.
now.
It's really good. All right, tell me, what do you say? Did I overgrade or do you think it's good? Seta, you stay with Mama. What do you
It's
say?
naturally sweet.
It's natural.
Yes.
Naturally sweet.
Yeah, the
So that
pineapple,
taste is
Yeah.
coming through.
Naturally sweet. You get the pineapple,
And it's
the
that
papaya.
papaya is-
Naturally sweet. This is really good.
It's really good,
I
right?
would drink this every day.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
I'm pleasantly surprised.
Mommy,
Oh, this is good.
It's good,
Mommy,
right?
Ramses spilled
This
the
is
pina
really good. And the
colada
color,
all
most
over
of
him.
the color is coming from the pineapple.
Mommy, Ramses
Not from the
spilled the pina
papaya.
colada.
Spill a
Papaya and the watermelon.
All right, do me a
Yeah.
favor. Go back
You
to
got
the
the
car.
little orange.
Put that straw in the pina colada.
This
Give it
is
to
really
him so he
good.
can
Really
drink
good.
it without spilling.
Like, you know that drink.
Walk on this side, okay? I'm watching you.
This is really good.
What kind of beach? Sex on the beach? You don't want
I
to
wasn't
say.
gonna say that. I was trying to say the explicit drink.
This is
Oh,
really
You
good.
done said it.
So what would you have put in that to make it an explicit drink on the beach?
Nah. It was comparing the color towards it.
Oh, the color. Okay, I
This
see.
is really good. How much owe you?
So that one is 6. That one is 6, and the snow cone is 3.
Okay.
Just have owe you $1,000. Oh, you $1,200?
Yeah.
$1,200. Okay.
No. 6 and 12.
12 and then 3.
That's
Okay.
Oh, 2,600. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I was thinking of this soup. So I owe you $1,500.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. So I close the car
So
door.
guys, for all that we had is like $10 US. So we had a smoothie, we had a snow cone,
And a pineapple.
and
cracker.
a pineapple daiquiri virgin for Logan. So that's like $10 US.
So quick question though, what's the name of your vlog? Your vlog channel?
It's a dental family channel.
It's on YouTube?
It's on YouTube, yes.
The Dental Family
Dental.
Denton, D-E-N.
DNTO. Yes.
BBC.
So you'll hear us shouting at the Daiquiri Palace.
Okay, I'm a D-E-N-T-O-L.
T-O-N like this.
DENTON.
So Ty, go back. What
You're gonna
happened?
get slapped.
You gave it to him?
Yeah, you see it? Let me see.
We're not even have a finished type.
Hey, show
Okay, man.
right away. Yeah.
Denton family. So I'm gonna go and hit subscribe.
Exactly.
Oh, look at that. We just gained a subscriber. Ding, 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 ding. Okay?
Alright,
Bye.
Keep it up. Jamaica way.
This is the Jamaica.
So is it a Jamaica way? Oh my God.
Yeah, wait, when I get here in
Oral. Yeah. Oral.
Yeah.
Stacey.
Alright.
Satai, Logan.
Take it
What's
easy.
your name?
Satai.
Satai. Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
Give him a pound.
Alright,
Yes, that's it.
Alright, cool. Take it easy, man.
See me, because I come all the time. Alright, so you keep calling me. So let me see what you have. Right? Keep calling me.
We got all of this on the board. I'll take a video of it as well. This is all of it. That is all.
Alright.
But yeah. Oh, sugar cane, right?
Right here, but we have it mixed as well.
Okay.
So what you had?
We have it mixed with turmeric, ginger, lemon and lime.
Okay.
And we have one mixed with ginger and lime.
Okay.
And we have one straight.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Which one you like the sample?
So I'll take one with the
Turmeric,
I'll take one with the turmeric.
ginger, lemon and lime.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah.
Alright.
We'll get a mix of them.
Okay, alright.
Alright, just one.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so it's in the. Oh, so you pour it out, right?
Oh, it's already mixed already. You can taste it.
Can I drink it too?
Yeah, you
Yes,
can
sir.
taste it.
Yes, sir.
Strawberry.
Huh?
Strawberry.
Grab a
Strawberry.
strawberry.
Try some of that. It's good.
Does it have strawberry?
Strawberry? Oh no strawberry, no, I'm sorry.
Since I like to walk around when you don't have your hat.
So this is
turmeric, sugar cane, ginger, lemon and lime.
Oh, this is good.
First is made right here.
It's good?
Yes, man. Right at Jabuki shop, right here in Boston Bay, Portland, Jamaica.
Yeah,
Yes?
yeah.
Yes, man. We're strengthening up the nation, strengthening up the nation.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
I hear
So
that.
how much is the? Oh,
This is for 1800.
so you sell the entire thing like this?
Yes, I.
Okay.
Or you don't sell like a cup of drink.
Let us see if I find a smaller one.
Does it have raspberry?
Yes, my son. Yes, my son. Small one, then. Oh. Yes, sir.
Do you have raspberry?
Okay. So if it's not on the ice,
You can't spoil.
okay.
Because there's no sugar nor water with the cane, so you cannot
Do you
spoil.
have
Okay.
raspberry?
No, it doesn't have any
Get hot.
raspberry.
When you're ready, I'll get some ice and pour on it.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Can't spoil.
Okay. So this is 15. Okay.
Mommy, can I have lemonade?
So I'll take that.
You take this
Can I
one.
have a lemonade?
Right there.
But that doesn't have a proper cover.
This one really holding more now. You probably want to show it to the family. You know?
Can I have a lemonade?
How much
So
is
15
that?
for this. I give you 15 then.
Alright, go on then. I'm up.
Alright,
Yeah,
okay.
man. Yeah, man. No
Have a
problem.
lemonade?
You don't have a lemonade.
Since you look at you sweating.
And can I
Yes, sir. Respect, man.
Yeah, me tell
I
somebody I
mean-
come. Me say me come.
Yes,
Just
man.
somebody I come.
And this is the rubbish bin, which is the cane thing.
Uh-huh.
When you finish with us, share everything if you don't have smaller
Okay.
thing.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Yeah, man.
find that?
I need some ice though.
Taste it.
Alright, I need to go attend to Ramaram.
But this is cool.
It's good? You like it, Ramses? I'm Satai?
Alright.
Yes, good, man.
Yes, mom, let me pull up my tobacco. You give your son some of himself like it.
Yeah, he loves
Alright.
it.
Anything the baby them say, you know.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
man. Anything the baby them say, can't wrong. Yeah, man. And them Jesus and stuff for them say, come and team, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's all fresh.
All
Fresh.
fresh, all
All
fresh.
freshly made stuff.
And you see this cane,
I wanna take a
the
little
cane juice is strong because you see the cane themselves, the ferment,
Yes,
so you know
yes,
it's strong.
exactly.
You're not producing
The
a rum to
sugar
get
comes.
high.
The sugar comes.
Yes,
The
man,
comes.
sugar coming out, man. Yes, man, all the best. Best cane juice in the world. Right.
Stay there, Satai. Stay there. Stay there because I don't want you to go on the road.
Come here, you, come. Come. Come here, you, come. Don't be afraid. Come. That's right.
He's
The
just
best
enjoying.
cane juice in the world. 100% sugar cane.
Hold on.
See?
Give me your hand.
Come with the cane, man.
Stay with it.
Pull up right there, side of the cane, man. Yeah?
Do it again.
Alright, the best sugar cane juice in the world.
Yeah.
Right here in Jamaica, right
Yeah,
here.
definitely. Yeah. And it's a cane juice.
This is the mill.
Mill.
Yeah,
The
this
mill.
is the
Yeah.
mill.
Oh, that's the mill.
Yeah, this is
So
the
you
mill.
going?
Yes,
Oh, wow.
Turmeric.
Yeah, man, with my little Dr. Bird, you know,
Dr.
with
Bird,
the Jamaican
yeah, for
sign.
sure, for sure.
Yeah, man.
For sure.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, man. Rastafari.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit higher,
That's
Trip.
enough videos.